Hello, it's a pleasure to be here with you. Thank you for Dr. Vaziritabar for the invitation of being here on his TV show. I'm grateful also for the collaboration, the scientific collaboration that we have had over the years and that we continue to have. So he asked me to come and give an update of where we are with some of the work with STEM Regen. Well, the first development is the development of a website that we have been working on for a number of months, simply to have a place where we can put all the studies that are pertaining to STEM Regen or helping explain what STEM Regen is doing in the body. So in a nutshell, STEM Regen is a blend of plants that have all been documented to support the release of stem cells from the bone marrow. So as we put more stem cells in circulation, these stem cells can go into various parts of the body and help repair various parts of the body. One of the reasons why there is so much interest in the field of stem cell research is because scientists worldwide recognize that adult stem cells have enormous regenerative potential. But these stem cells that are used in various treatments, they come from the blood, they come from the bone marrow, they come from fat tissue. In other words, they are already in the body to begin with, since the day we are born. So if these stem cells already in the body have enormous regenerative potential, then the big question to me, and this is the center of the work that I did over the past 20 years, is what is the natural role of stem cells in the body. So we know today that stem cells constitute the natural repair system of the body. So when we release them, then they can circulate in the bloodstream and go to various tissues or organs that are in need of repair. And the key parameter is the number of stem cells in circulation. So if we have more stem cells in circulation, then more stem cells are available to participate to the process of tissue repair. So STEM Regen was developed to do exactly this. When we take STEM Regen, we simply put more stem cells in circulation. So, and in this context, we have started a number of studies. The main one is a study on heart attack. So essentially, we are studying the difference, the comparison between an injection of stem cells, which is used traditionally, and the release of our own stem cells. So in other words, the impact of increasing the number of stem cells in circulation, either through an injection or through a product like STEM Regen on the recovery from a heart attack. So this study has started about a month or two ago. So I look forward in the next year or so to have the opportunity of coming back and reporting the results of these studies. Similar studies with Parkinson, with diabetes, are also in preparation. Another aspect that we're looking at here in terms of study in preparation is the impact of stem cells on the immune system. I mean, this is work that has been known and studied for a long time, but it takes a very special perspective in this COVID era. When people have problems with COVID, it is not the virus itself. It is, for the most part, the immune system of the person that becomes overactive and then creates areas of the body where there is significant inflammation caused by an overactivation of the immune system. And this is one aspect of stem cell function that has been well documented over the years, although we don't talk about it a lot. And it's the fact that stem cells have the ability, this is part of what they do in the body. They will migrate in an area where there is inflammation and they will calm down the inflammation. So studies were published in China and other countries in which doctors injected stem cells in the bloodstream of people in ICU for COVID, in very severe condition with COVID, and they recovered very rapidly. And the mechanism of action here is simple. It's simply that these stem cells will migrate to these areas of inflammation in the lung, for example, or other tissue, and will simply calm down the inflammation, this overactivation of the immune system, and then the person can recover from recovery from any other viral infection. So we are starting studies as well to study the effect of products like STEM Regen, releasing our own stem cells on the ability to essentially fight and recover from COVID. So these are the studies that are in preparation. So again, as soon as we have results from these studies, it will be a pleasure to come back here on Dr. Vaziritabar's TV show and share these results with you. So feel free to go and visit our website to get more information. We have a lot of information talking about not only how stem cells work in the body, but all the documentation that we can find in the scientific literature to show what the body can do when the body has more of its own stem cells in circulation for helping repair or recovery in all kinds of problems linked to various aspects of human health, various organs and tissue. So feel free to go and see, and I look forward to seeing you very soon with good data. So in the meantime, have a good day. Thank you again to Dr. Vaziritabar for being here. Bye.